Welcome to Zoological World. Today we will discuss about Bichpoo. A Bichpoo is a lively, intelligent dog. It's a mix between a Bichon Frise and a miniature poodle. Though it's the product of two purebred dogs, the Bichpoo is categorized in the hybrid group. These dogs originated in Australia and likely date back to the 1990s when designer dogs were especially popular. Bichpoo size and weight. Both male and female Bichpoos can grow to be 15 inches tall. Also, males and females can weigh as much as 18 pounds, full-grown. A 9-week-old Bichpoo weighs around 2 pounds. They are considered full-grown at around 1 year old. Bichpoo common health issues. Bichpoos have a few common health issues such as Cushing's disease. A canine with this condition produces too much cortisol, which can affect the animal's ability to fend off infections and maintain a balanced blood sugar level. Some signs of this include fatigue, excessive thirst, and a potbelly. Cushing's disease can be addressed with surgery in some cases. Another common health issue is progressive retinal atrophy. This condition affects cells in a dog's eyes, causing partial or total blindness. A dog that has trouble seeing things at night may have this condition. Unfortunately, there's no known treatment. A third common health issue is patellar luxation. Patellar luxation is essentially a dislocated kneecap. It can cause a dog to limp or lose full range of motion. Physical therapy or surgery are two possible treatments. Bichpoo temperament and behavior. The word lively goes a long way to describing a Bichpoo's personality. These are small dogs with lots of energy. They have a loyal temperament, making them excellent watchdogs for a household. These pooches are playful and always ready for a game of fetch or chase with their family. How to take care of a Bichpoo. Someone who'd like a Bichpoo as a pet should make it a point to learn as much as possible about this hybrid dog. The more an owner learns about the dietary, grooming, and healthcare needs of their puppy or adult dog, the better the person can care for the new addition to the family. Look at some factors to keep in mind. Bichpoo maintenance and grooming. How much does a Bichpoo shed? Though this dog is sometimes called hypoallergenic, it does shed a low amount of hair. The grooming routine of a Bichpoo requires daily brushing. This helps to keep mats and tangles from forming and taking a firm hold in the dog's short, curly coat. A slicker brush is a helpful grooming tool for this hybrid dog. A slicker brush removes loose and dead hair from the coat. The slicker brush can also be used to remove tangles and mats. Be sure to avoid pulling in a harsh way at tangles and mats. This will cause the dog to be afraid of being brushed and it will lose trust in its owner. Instead, an owner should use their fingers to gently loosen the tangle. Next, work to remove the tangle using short strokes of the brush. An owner who is not confident about grooming their Bichpoo may want to consider taking it to a professional groomer. A reputable dog groomer understands how to remove tangles and mats in an effective way that doesn't cause the dog pain. Some Bichpoos suffer from environmental or food allergies. Redness, dry skin, and bald patches in its coat are all possible signs of allergies in this dog. A veterinarian has tests that can pinpoint a dog's allergies, which can lead to an effective diagnosis and treatment plan. Bichpoo training. Bichpoos are relatively easy to obedience train. This hybrid inherited the intelligence of its Bichon Frise and poodle parents. This helps them absorb lessons during training. As a note, their high level of intelligence means they get bored easily. So, it's a good idea for an owner to keep training sessions short. A Yorkie Poo is another hybrid that is smart and easy to train. They can be easily distracted as well and do best with short training sessions. Bichpoo exercise. Bichpoos need at least 30 minutes of exercise daily. Unfortunately, when these pooches don't receive enough exercise, they can become anxious. Anxious dogs have a tendency to be destructive of items in a home. So, playing chase in the backyard, going for a lively walk in the neighborhood, or visiting a dog park are all activities that can help them burn energy.